So Pooja asks, I've been in the journey for 14 months now. I feel energy quite strong and heavy at 2 points at the same time on my third eye and lower spine. As I have learned, it's always moving upwards or downwards, but I don't understand this phenomena. Hmm. Yeah, so there's a certain trajectory where, life force, prana, shakti will move up from the spine into the third eye and then back down and up and down, up, back and forth, back and forth. This is it's a known experience. Some I don't recommend it, but there's something called spinal breathing, which involves visualizing the energy rising with the breath from the lower spine up to the third eye and then back down and up, back and forth. So this is it's a known thing. Um, Understanding this phenomenon, there's so many little details about all of this process, and we can do our best to understand as much as we can. There's good material out there. We can talk about it and make sense of it. Sometimes understanding comes intuitively as well. But in the big picture, I feel like if there's frustration around not knowing what is happening to us, it's much easier to release the part of us that wants to know everything than it is to actually figure everything out. So there's two ways of satisfying ourselves or relieving ourselves of frustration around not knowing what's happening to us. Two ways. We can figure it all out. Good luck. Or we can let go and dissolve into the mystery and allow the awe of the mystery to just be part of our experience. Right? I think that's more of a likely way to find relief. So nothing unusual happening here. The energy will move up and down as it works through the channel. It opens things up, it clears things up, it brings you into certain states of consciousness. It holds it there for a little bit of time and then it has to go back down, right? These things can happen. There will be all sorts of things that come and go, and we can't really know every last detail about what is really happening. Same way with, puberty, right? We went through it. We didn't know like everything that was going on, but we just, like innocent children, just looked at it and said, "Oh, my body's changing anyway. Let's get back to being a kid or whatever." And so the same way we can approach this process too. If you're inclined towards learning more, there's great material out there. But don't feel like you have to understand everything. We can't. It's too much. It's a lot for our little minds to understand. And we don't even really understand everything about the human body, period, the biological human body, period, right? Like there's so many mysteries, things that we don't understand. Our culture doesn't know anything about food, these types of things, right? Like we're behind in many different domains, not just the spiritual one. So just surrender into the mystery of it all. Just observe as the intelligence of your body is transforming you in such a beautiful way. And just observe it and be in awe of it and practice appreciation of it. And that can bring relief if there's any frustration around, not knowing what's happening.